en route to fishing. Alright, got a 48-hour session ahead. Let's catch some fish. You have to be slow. Here we go. Furness Estate Fishery, home of the carp. There it is. Here we go. Welcome to Furness. All people are on Spessy Lake. No one's on Furness. Looks busy though, which is not good. Oh. Just had a 40-pounder.
Carpy, carpy.
Hello. This is not Run's water.
Expert lesson.
Make sure the spot is nicely filled.
Can you smell that krill? All over. Stage one.
Nom, 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 nom.
How's it going, Christian?
I got into a 10-pound bream.
Nice.
Ended up it was only a pound. Landing that. It's too small.
Yeah, a bream.
Yeah.
A bream?
Oh, it's coming in so easy.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a bream. Fish. It's working.
Oh, that one's gone into the forest. So is that. Oh mate, I tell you what, you don't need to do much on this. Do you?
No.
He's not going anywhere, mate.
Is he locked up?
Yeah.
Is he far bank?
Yeah. He's gone off into snag.
You have to just wait it out.
He's gone into snag.
Just wait him out, mate.
I've got into a very big carp.
And?
He snagged me.
So what have you done?
I've slackened the line and I'm waiting for him to break free. So it's a waiting game.
Where is he, do you think?
He's out in the margin, right out there, about 80 yards out.
So how long have we been waiting now?
Well, 5 minutes. He's literally tied up round a tree or something. So I've just got to wait, see if he comes out. He's on there.
What's happened, Christian?
I think he's just either spat it out. Yeah. It's on. I had 2 donkey chokers on that. £10 at night. This is Anthony's PB. Mate, are you still shaking? Yeah. Anthony's very happy. Tra la 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 la.
Recovering now.
He's ready?
Yeah, yeah.
I have to tip your sling.
How was your night, Christian?
I caught 2 carpy,
And?
a very large
What?
duck.
Who won, the carp or the duck?
I won. With my big size 9 boots on his neck. It was either that or I was going to choke it and snap its neck off. 3:30 in the morning, thinking I've got a monster carp on. No.
Did your friend come and help you?
I've got a stupid duck. No, my friend was sound asleep, still dreaming of his 23 pound he caught earlier.
Oh no.
Right. Had a mate actually given me the waders before I tried to get him out of his snag.
I didn't know you were going to go daredevil with me.
I've gone in the lake. I've had to totally gone in the lake up to my chest.
You went daredevil.
And he's got a fish in here who's absolutely tangled all 3 of my lines, and we find out he's in there. Mate, your best bet is to go in from here.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Can I get through there?
Come in from here. You need to free your line up, don't you?
I'm going to give some ripped to bits and then spools in. I'll go round if I can. I'll see how deep it is.
Well, it's not deep. You're all right. Oh, mate, this is the one for the cameras.
Oh, there's a hole in. I got wet. I got wet. No, I'm joking.
Do you know what you can do now? You can actually do your throwaway. So your line's up around about where your hands are.
Yeah, I see it here.
I think he's just probably sitting still in there. Not unless he's got out. Have you got him?
He's there.
Here he is.
You couldn't get on my rod, could you?
Yeah. Okay, now part 3. Firstly, I fell in the lake trying to free his snag up, which ruined all of my rods. Then we find out there's a carp that's gone across all our lines, and Mr. Vass is in the drink. Here we go. What would you give yourself for that?
47.
Nice. Mate, do you want me to
Hold on. I'll get him. Oh, get him. Still got my knife in it.
get your hands in, mate?
Oh, he's slippery. He's going to go.
Okay, now this is the release. I want to see the hands. I want to see the hole.
Goodbye, darling. Thank you very much. Look.
Do we like? Do we like bream?
It's a decent sized bream. That's right. Come on.
So, what's the next setup then, Ant?
Do you want to do one like me? We can do these.
Which one you doing?
Together. Naked, chod on the heli-safe.
How many wraps?
14 and a half.
Love that.
Because it's into a bit of poo. Pull the tungsten sleeve.